Welcome to Moonstone Update. I'm Mark Beshard, the Managing Editor of Moonstone Publications. Here's a look at some of the stories we've covered over the past week, but first, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. South Africa's 14.3 million income earners had enough life and disability insurance to cover only 45% of the total insurance needs of their households, according to the latest insurance gap study released by the Association for Savings and Investment. The insurance gap widened only slightly since the previous findings in 2019. This is mainly because the number of income earners declined by 1.3 million. Because the study calculates the amount of life and disability cover needed to cover a loss of income, a drastic reduction in the number of earners therefore also decreases the insurance need calculation. Moonstone Business School of Excellence is offering an early bird special on 5 of our qualifications. You'll get a 10% discount on your fees if you apply and pay for your first semester 2023 modules before the 12th of December. The 5 qualifications are the High Certificate in Short-Term Insurance, the High Certificate in Wealth Management, the Advanced Certificate in Financial Planning, the Postgraduate Diploma in Financial Planning, and the Occupational Certificate Compliance Officer. To register, go to www.mbse.ac.za. Moonstone Business School of Excellence offers a wide variety of online learning courses in our 4 CPD categories: regulatory environment, ethics, technical and business skills. MBSE has more than 100 CPD courses. The CPD subscription packages are ideal for corporate FSPs that want to ensure their key individuals and representatives comply with the required CPD hours. Things are looking bleak for members of retirement funds whose assets were administered by NEFG administrators. It is uncertain whether any of the estimated 470 million rand in assets will be recovered. In a report to the FSCA, the statutory manager said NEFG's business rescue practitioner has ascertained that the retirement fund assets held by NEFG on behalf of members were not invested according to the investment mandates, but were invested in high-risk assets outside the given mandates. 2 decisions handed down recently by the Financial Services Tribunal highlight the tribunal's approach to applications for the reconsideration of a debarment on the grounds that an FSP did not notify the applicant of the intention to debar. The person often argues that because they were not informed of the intention to debar, they did not have an opportunity to state their case, and therefore the debarment was procedurally unfair. In some of these cases, it seems the applicants are relying on the assumption that because they did not acknowledge receipt of the notification, which was sent electronically, the tribunal will conclude that they were not notified. But an applicant's bold claim that they did not receive the documents will not suffice. Some retirement funds are continuing not to make adequate use of their internal complaint resolution processes by failing to follow through on complaints or failing to keep members informed. As a result, members approach the Office of the Pension Funds Adjudicator with similar complaints that were referred for internal resolution, the Adjudicator, Muvhango Lukamani, said in her office's latest annual report. It is only in instances where a dispute remains unresolved after the fund has attempted to deal with it that the adjudicator should get involved. That's all we have for this week. You can read these stories and many more on our website, moonstone.co.za. Until next time, here's wishing you all the best from the team at Moonstone Information Refinery.